What is urban theory? What does it do? How does it help in understanding and shaping of urban form? Urban theory enables us primarily to read cities from its genesis to its transformation to as of now. It also enables us with a critical review and interpretation of key urban texts, construct and present urban debate, familiarize with related key literature and other source of knowledge, and use basic conceptual framework for urban argument. So the urban theories are about building urban argument and urban research for trends, issues, circumstances, and probable outcome and possible action. It is critically imperative to be informed with the theoretical position and time that has caused the situation and their interrelationship sphere of influence. It helps standing larger question such as city as a laboratory, social phenomena and social reality, city as a regional question, city's complexity is irreducible as challenges are going to increase, cities with the ecological concern, cities with the global perspective. It also brings about some institutional questions, division of knowledge, the hint for possible need for cooperation, local knowledge produced in political and administrative context, interface between aims of objective of academics and practice, dialogue across border of knowledge communities, information on power structure, and method to deal with power. An important aspect of urban theory is a knowledge question. Knowledge to exchange with, knowledge is to find common interest, knowledge is to build common question, knowledge is to create newer knowledge communities, knowledge is to practice of knowledge exchange, knowledge is to respect context of knowledge, knowledge is about academic world and power, construct framework for dialogue, and very important, knowledge is about learning from other perspectives. Through the forces of globalization, advanced capitalism, and new modes of governance have subjected cities uniformly. The responses of these forces play out quite differently in varied empirical context. Within India itself, the responses of smaller towns and cities are quite different from that of megacities. Urban question begin to expand its discourse through larger influencing forces of globalization and its impact on our cities. The work of Edward Soja and other urban scholars from Chicago School of Thought began to see question of city as an urban structure or the paradox or playfield of various class of people is a place where dynamic organism meets the social processes. While scholars like George Simmel raised the question if any such thing as urban culture is distinctive like the urban form. Louis Mumford states that city is between human culture and urban life. Elizabeth Wilson states that city is about inequality and division within the urban life, and it is where the question of gender becomes critical. Hence, each scholar draws its own perspective on defining city and public life. Cities are in constant flux of change. Studying, documenting, analyzing, and classifying the process of urban change has been preoccupation of urban thinkers and urban scholars. It constantly demonstrates that subtle changes through the process of creation, addition, and demolition. Theorizing urban contextually to globally allows us to articulate our position as urban scholar, urban researcher, and urban thinker. So, there are explicit theories and there are implicit theories. And perhaps there are some theories which fall between these two categories. The explicit theories are reading of cities through its manifested structure and tangible forces, while implicit theories are intangible forces that shape the cities. Each authors have explored a particular approach to imagine urban form. There are classical theories, there are compositional theories, there are morphological theories. In order to embark on large urban questions, one needs clear understanding of the fundamental of explicit theories. This set of theories are between explicit and implicit theories. They are manifested either in behavioral response of an individual or collective or spatio-temporal sense, that is everyday life and informality within the cities. These theories, when combined with explicit theories, one gets a sense of understanding of how city behaves in terms of its morphological structure. This set of theories are advanced urban theories, attempting to dissect urban form through sense of belonging, through social formation, through cultural practices and belief, through prevailing and changing political system, through sacred and myth. From this theory onwards, one moves towards global perspective in terms of global economy, global politics, and global imperatives like resilience, climate change, and sustainability. Thank you.